Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. After that, scroll down and click on Display section. Now you need to choose this sweater next to adaptive brightness feature. And as you can see, after that, auto brightness is now on. But you can always turn it off by choosing the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!